right, we are here with Trevor from Vanultra. He is going to install some quick release
rooftop tent mounts
on our Freespirit tent, which we are going to mount on our new Lobo Adventure trailer. While strolling through the many different vendors that were at Overland Expo West in Flagstaff, Arizona, we ran across this business that we weren't even sure that we were going to stop at, but then I pulled Brian in and I was like, we got to look at this. And the company is Vanultra, and their sign said, make your rooftop tent transfer easier. And we're like, we know what a problem it has been, like transferring our tent on and off. And so we started talking with Trevor, who is the owner of Vanultra, and we were completely sold within like 5 minutes of talking to him that this was the solution that we needed for our rooftop tent and putting it on our new trailer. So Vanultra represents efficiency and reliability, aiming to make adventures enjoyable rather than dreadful. Their mission is to solve problems for the overland enthusiasts by removing hassles during adventure preparation. Vanultra's products are the quick release mounts, which is what we got for our rooftop tent. And these mounts allow you to easily install and remove your rooftop tent from your vehicle, making the transition between camper and daily driver seamless. They do also have the locking rooftop tent mounts, and these provide security by allowing you to lock your rooftop tent in place and no worries about theft or unauthorized removal. We did decide just to go with the quick release mounts for now. I do believe if we wanted to add a locking solution later on down the road, we could do that, but for now, just the quick release mounts, and we absolutely love them. A little bit of an issue in that the awning bracket is super big and our tent is really short of where it needs to be, so we are going to take the awning off, remount it on the side, take the brackets off so we can get the tent on the trailer, and then we'll be good to go.
Oh, this is the gross adjustment, and then the knob's the fine adjustment. So okay. I get this so that the eyelets line up and this is touching. Right now this isn't touching, so this would be great for a wider crossbar, but we're not that wide. Almost there.
All right, our final thoughts on the Vanultra quick release tent mounts is they are so amazing. We could not be happier with the install. Even though we had a few hiccups, Trevor was a huge help in getting our tent installed. We did stop in Utah a couple of days after this to get the correct mounts installed on our tent for the awning to go on, and it was so easy to move the quick top release mounts and get everything in place, get it all set back. We were able to sleep on top of our trailer for the whole entire week-long trip that we had. We felt safe, we felt secure, and we can't ask for a better product. And it got us all the way home back to the PNW after 1,000+ miles, and we couldn't be more excited about working with Vanultra.